Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look on this fascinating dance that S&P is doing this week. What has S&P been doing since yesterday? What a chop we're in since yesterday morning. If you're acquiring position close to reversal zone, this is what happens. Sellers start stepping in. Bullish rally 230 plus points later is exhausted. 90% of the time market in comatose conditions, with the exception of the bullish rallies that we've taken advantage of this week at the lowest point possible, because our weekly chart with its very powerful support on Tuesday, that was the most volatile and powerful formation this week, that's currently stuck completely. No surprise here. Buyers continue domineering this market, but take a look on our guiding light hourly. What a chop! No surprise here. I warned you since early this morning. The bearish trade pre-market reached very powerful levels. Sellers are tired and buyers continue stepping in. You continue witnessing the trades that are very sluggish. Before we've taken the break, I warned you, this is very powerful Fibonacci resistance. I warned you, bullish trend is minor. I warned you, if you manage to score 2 points in this market, you are a knowledgeable trader. This is not the market we witnessed in the months of January and February, when we were catching 15, 20, 30 points each and every day. If you like it to take 10 points a day, that's very unusual day, as bullish rally on S&P at the end of marathon. 15 points was not a surprise in early February. 12 points is not a surprise in early February. 7 points was a slow day. 25 points was no surprise, was regular day. 13 points was average. This morning, 2 points is a gift. Market in coma 90% of the time. Not much expected, as buyers are absolutely exhausted and sellers are weak. So if you know how to play by the rules, you understand completely well. S&P in massive correction most of the time on hourly. S&P is not staging phenomenal reversals, chopping back and forth non-stop. Institutions remain long. Institutions not getting out of positions. And when it comes to day trading, this is where bullish rally was volatile from this crucial Fibonacci support, when 10-point day, 13-point day was an average day. 4th week in a row, market been in corrective structure, dancing at very powerful levels. S&P at ultimate highs, where you witnessed complete collapse since January 2015. We're not seeing complete collapse, not on weekly chart. What price will do in the next few weeks is crucial. We're reaching ultimate highs where we witnessed phenomenal sell-off in 2014 and 2015. And that will remain the key. Extremely important months on S&P. Very comatose market conditions. Very rare rally. If you know what correction is, 70% of the time nowadays you're not in front of the computer. You respect that market currently 230 points later. Actually currently 277 points later. at the end of marathon. And that's the key. When price came to reversal zone on Valiant, that's a collapse that leaving me breathless. From 260 until 26, not taking a stop. When Apple came to reversal zone on monthly, it staged 40% collapse, first dancing in correction. S&P currently remains stuck. On weekly, remains stuck this morning on hourly. Not a pretty dance. And that's where we are in the markets currently. As Apple doing exact same dance as S&P. Chop 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 at reversal zone. Bullish rally exhausted, taking a while to go from correction and push until this Fibonacci support. Apple is heading back up and will test your knowledge of Fibonacci once again. So, here is S&P back up to reversal zone. Here comes the selling pressure. Let's see if the rules are met this time around. We've taken the only long trades we could this morning, and I continue warning you, we're not in pretty place. We're dancing in very dangerous area. We're dealing with exhausted buyers and very weak sellers. Most of the trades this month continue dancing in comatose conditions, respecting the end of the minor trend, respecting decision point 1. We are not seeing spectacular volatility at all. I would highly encourage you to view the video from Tuesday, when market had given us very powerful bullish rally, that third day in a row testing reversal zone, giving us endless non-stop unpredictable selling pressure, because guiding light hourly stuck in correction. So the pullbacks, 1 point, 7 points, 10 points, 11 points, 5 points, will continue playing out. And if you choose the entry, it must be well before reversal zone. So I will stick around 9 more minutes to see if selling pressure will step in. If not, I am out. We pulled the only counter-trend bullish trades we could, that were extremely sluggish, extremely slow, because bullish rally exhausted. Tuesday we bought at the bottom of the heel, at very powerful weekly support here, 2039. Price currently at 2078. Exhausted as of now when it comes to day trading charts. Institutions remain long. They are not getting out of their positions. And that's where this chop coming from, non-stop. So if you're a knowledgeable trader, you're not in front of the computers nowadays, at least 60% of the time. You respect what price is telling you. Test of your knowledge of the market and what correction means. At the close of the trading room at 12 EST, market dancing at very crucial area, but no one is selling. Institutions remain long. Massive correction for almost 2 years in a play. The same exact thing that's happening on short-term charts S&P nowadays 60% of the time. So as a knowledgeable investor, you've been in cash since 2014. As a knowledgeable trader, you understand that bullish rally 277 points later on S&P is exhausted, and you must respect that. You do not babysit corrections, and if rules not met, you walk away from computer. You do not touch the market. And that's the power and core of the course. And that's the focus of the method. Know when to trade, and most importantly, always and forever, know when to stay out.